Welcome to the Crypto Rodeo Show. I know some people may be new to the crypto space, but for all you vets out there, I'm sure you're well aware of BlockFi. For all the new people, BlockFi is a place where you can earn, trade, borrow on your crypto with no hidden fees, no minimum balances, no minimum required to earn interest. Basically, the one thing everyone's been talking about in crypto for so long is passive income. Passive income is great until you get slapped with a lawsuit by New Jersey. This is not looking too hot. So, BlockFi must stop offering its services to new customers in New Jersey. The scope of BlockFi's alleged securities law violations are unclear, it says in the article, but from what I read, it looks like it has. It doesn't really have to do with the regulation isn't towards Bitcoin or Ethereum. It's mostly for other assets that they're offering these interests. Chainlink and Uniswap being two that they mentioned. We are not 100% sure why BlockFi is being reprimanded in New Jersey of all places, which is crazy to me. But I think I think the regulations are starting to hit. At least it's starting now, I think, in like a smaller level. So states, small municipalities, they're going to come after businesses, cryptos, and I'm shocked that BlockFi. I mean, BlockFi's been around for a long time. I use BlockFi. I mean, they got great services. They really do, and I can't wait to see where this goes because I don't foresee this turning out very well for BlockFi. And a lot of people are saying this is what caused the Bitcoin dump. No, this is not part of the. This is not part of the Bitcoin dump. The Bitcoin dump happened because it needed to happen, because there's people at the top that wanted it to happen. Just like when people want it to go up. It's the same thing. People at the top control Bitcoin. Bitcoin is for the rich, not the poor. And BlockFi is not going to be part of that. BlockFi is its own little issue. And I don't know if, them being caught, I guess, touting around with securities, that's pretty tough. They're going to get a slap on the wrist. I don't think they're going to be gone forever. I don't think this is going to go any further than, hey, stop doing this and then pay this fine, and BlockFi will go back to where it was before. I mean, I can't imagine they just unless they discover even bigger problems with BlockFi, and if they discover problems with BlockFi, they're going to end up going mainstream to other cryptos, and well, if BlockFi is doing this, then other guys are doing this as well. Let's go after them, and then the whole system crumbles. Terrible. But I don't think it's going to stop here. I think there are other companies that are going to get these same cease and desist letters. The space is changing. It is. I mean, you've got all these scam coins. FaZe Clan getting caught. We need to control the crypto space. Not we. I mean they. The whales. The whales are real. I know. I get nightmares of whales. They're a nightmare situation. But we retail investors, we small fish. We're not even fish. We're like plankton. They control all of this. And BlockFi is in the same ballpark. Someone made the call. Had to. But anyway, just wanted to share that with you guys because I know a lot of people use BlockFi. It's not the end of the world. I think it is the end of the world if you have Chainlink or Uniswap, but I'm sure they'll figure it out. Either they get slapped with a fine, or people who in the future will not be able to use Chainlink or Uniswap, and I think that's the direction it's going in. But I just wanted to do this one for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. And one last thing. I'm not a financial advisor. Just some dude in a hat. Good night.